such tough instruction as it gets now. Iceland is pretty tough going too, and the American troops there have a good deal to put up with thanks to the weather and the isolation. So naturally the mail is a big thing in their lives. Yes, Iceland's a tough place to be if you're a soldier, what with the isolation and the weather. Only recently, for instance, they had the father and mother of a storm with an icy wind blowing at 85 miles an hour. You can see the result in these pictures. Almost impossible to walk, or even think for that matter. And quite impossible to keep your helmet on your head. Both British and American troops undoubtedly had a few words to say about Iceland's climate early this year. There was a lot of minor damage done by the storm. Somehow or other, our cameraman contrived to wedge himself into a truck and carry on with these pictures. When it calmed down, there was plenty of work for all hands repairing the damage, making order out of chaos. And quite enough damage was done when the Dutch island of Aruba, off the coast of Venezuela,